1061. Box and whisker pups.
Today is
Okay.
January 17th.
Let's go back a little bit, and you remember what I'm not gonna start with me. Do you know how to classify data? Let's use, look at the one in the book, because I don't want to write it, but let's see. 6, 80, 83, 60, 71. I'm only going to copy some of them. 87, 95, 69, 68, 80, 76, 87, 59. Okay, let's say you take that. Stem and leaf. And leaf, what do we call them? Diagrams, plots? Stem and leaf. Stem and leaf, stem and leaf. Leaf, what do they call them? Plots, right? Stem and leaf plots? Okay. Stem and leaf plots are a very practical and easy way of organizing data. And if you turn them around, they will help you make graphs and histograms. So, what you do is, this is the first step. This is the stem, this is the leaf. The leaf, the stem would be, we have everything from 55 passing to 60, 71, 80 something, 90 something. So the stem would be the 5, and the leaf would be the 5, because it's 55. 6, and we've got 6, 0, 6, 8, and 6, 9. You see that? And I'm classifying it already, okay? If there were another 68, for example, and another 55, then I would do
in order.
In order. They suggest you just put it as it falls, as you find them first, and then you put it in order. But I'm putting it in order from the go, from the start. Then you've got a 70, what would I put in the 70?
1.
Just 1, right? With the 8?
And 8.
And 6.
Wait, 78?
Ah, and there's a 6.
6. And 8.
6, 1, where's the 78?
Maybe the
Second
second
one.
number.
Ah, very good. And the 8, okay. So I think you get the idea, right? On how to do this. With the, do I have repeated ones? I didn't put repeated ones, but you understand how to do this, okay? It is really important that if it's repeated, you put the repeated one. Once you have it this way, let's do these 7, just to 0, 0,
3. 7.
Okay.
And 7.
Okay, and the 9?
0. 2.
5,
5.
6.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what would be the range? Once you have it like this, what would be the range? It's the biggest one minus the smallest one. So it's going to be 96 minus 55. Easily seen with that. What would be the median?
The middle number.
Actually, let me do the median last. That way I can jump to quartiles. What would be the mode? The one that's repeated the most, right? There are 2, 3 that are repeated the most.
4.
55, 8, and 80.
Oh,
And
87 as well.
87. 80 and 87. All of those are modes. Okay? Now we go to the median. The median is the middle one, right? So you start counting here. There's how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I've got to do 9 and 9 and the 2 that are in the middle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one. So the median would be is 78 plus 80 divided by 2. Right? Bye. Pretty easy, right? So now we're going to do what is called a box and whisker plot. Why whisker? Because it's got whiskers going on either end. How do you do the whisker plot? You start. The lowest number that you have is the 50. The highest number that you have is the 96. Now, you have to separate this equally, okay? So let's see if I can fit it. 60, 70, 60, 70, 80, 96. This is just in your head and you don't write any number except the ones that we have, and I'll explain what. So, we have the median, and we know that the median is smack in the middle, and it's the middle position. This diagram is to show position, it's not a number line. Yes?
But isn't that 55?
Yeah.
The 50?
I got it. So that's 50, and 55 is in the middle, right? Okay. Thank you. There we go. Okay. Thank you. So the median is going to be, what was it? 79. So it is somewhere here. If this is 60, 70, 79 is here. And that's your median. This is split into two, right? Now we're going to find the median of this section. But it's not called a median, it's called a quartile, okay? So this one right here, the median, in other words, is also the second quartile. What does a quartile mean? It means you split things into 4. What things? The data that you have, okay? You split it into 4 equal positions, not necessarily the same amount apart in a number line. Does that make sense? So, this is not exactly halfway between 55 and 96, not in numbers, but yes in positions, okay? So now we find the middle between 55 and 79 in positions, not in numbers. Does that make sense? Not in value. So now we look for the median of the median, so to speak. So we have, this one was the last one. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers, right? So we're going to look for, we start counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one here is going to be my first quartile. And I do the same with the other one. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be my third quartile. Does that make sense? I lost it. Yeah, where is it?
Here.
Oh. So, my first quartile is 68. 68 is somewhere here. 68. And my third quartile is
87.
87. 87, somewhere here. Okay? So, now I have my box and that one had a 50. Let's add a 50. But that changes everything. Anyway. Okay. Mine's different. No one. Okay, so this is it. This is quartile 2. This is quartile 3. And this is quartile 1. Okay? This is And this is maximum. And there, you have a box and winter plot. Instead of calling it quartile 2, we're going to call it median. Make sense? Pretty simple, right? Did you understand how to find quartile 1, quartile 3? It's like the median of the median on either side. And that's it.